Welcome to the Channel Nation, I'm Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, court documents have confirmed that though there is freedom of speech, entertainers have been convicted based on lyrical content and their on-stage persona. Now, for artists such as Desmond Ballantyne, more popularly known as Ninja Man, who is currently serving a life sentence, the state is stating that these prison problems have been caused by Ninja Man himself. But before we get into that, may I make say footage from Lexi DBess funeral service that will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Batty boss. Cause remember in the church, yeah, cause
Get up now.
You ever see with them? Them not go in that church, so we all teach them about churches. I see with them. Yeah. Alright. So ladies and gentlemen, cuz sleep. You want to call it Jimbo D too? You drop no beat? Oh, you have video? Alright.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Lexi is a very wonderful, kind, officialate person. Yes, Lexi is a very good person. Even though I know her for 2 weeks. Yeah, cause 2 weeks we know her for, right? Wow. It feel like what you call 10 year, a decade. God knows. Lexi, rest in peace. Big up yourself.
Alright, I'm kind of tired because I was a party reaching 7 o'clock and still reach right yourself, so that's some looks at Josie. But Lexi, rest in peace. You know, we love you same way. You see me? The memories carry on. You see me? Everybody will support her, big up on yourself, same way, you know. Word dog say, oh, big her up, same way. He couldn't make it, but he big her up from afar. You see
Fully
me?
X.
Hot dog, we had that one who cook already come here. Oh, alright, man, hot dog never reach out to somebody now. You ever ask Paris, you gonna do makeup? Paris, that's his husband, or his wife. Alright people, pick up on yourself, yeah? Nah, man.
Wow, when I go, I want to be like them. Cause I like your hairstyle.
It's a Paris there, people.
Alright, so the next person I'm going to call her back to the program
Paris.
is the 876 roommate secretary. She goes by the name of Chen Chen. She's a Chinese. Ching Chung Wang Chong. I think what? Dang Wang and what? When she forward, she'll tell you what they say. Dang Yang Wang Ding Yang Wang Dang Wang. Dang Wang Wang. Ladies and gentlemen, Chen Chen.
Good afternoon, everybody. Seeing all of you here really shows how important Lexi was. The first time I meet Lexi, she told me that she'd take me as a mother, and she must imagine her mother back in her younger days as me, because I'm so mature, yet so immature. And I said, Lexi, what do you mean by that? And she said, read between the lines. But at the end of the day, the children, right? And I tell Lexi, when my daughter then grow up, mother want to have sense like you and still can enjoy their life like you. I cannot come to terms that she's really not here. I'm not really a crier. And I found myself crying my eyes out this morning. It was so sad. Google was so wicked. They sent me this notification. Them no Lexi not here.
People
they
say Kimmy, I say Kimmy. When I ask Kimmy how long,
5 o'clock. See memories with you and Lexi DBess over the past year. It was so devastating. I mean, the notification came in, and when I see it, I start play over the videos over and over and over, and then I just find myself in this temper, and a Paris literally have to come calm me down. Today's my bigger daughter's birthday, and I told her that, listen, you're gonna have many more birthdays, but mommy's friend died and I have to be there. I didn't get to come to the candlelight. I have to be at the funeral. This is so sad. I have to just imagine that Lexi is on a vacation right now, and if I could see her right now, mother tell her, Lexi, don't make them girls put them hand in your ear, because you know you don't like that. Don't make nobody touch your eyelash and don't go in on the sun, because you know you don't like that. You go off in a hot girl clothes. When Paris was doing her makeup, I followed her and I was there. One of the time I nearly faint, because every time Paris, like literally, me have to look down on her. It's like me going at this trance, and me they expect Paris to be the one to broke down, and me gonna follow Paris, you know. But I mean, I literally felt like I was gonna faint, and I had to like go sit down in the lobby till I actually fall asleep. I could not sit there and watch her. Oh God, it was so devastating. I just hope that wherever she is, I'm gonna keep telling myself, Lexi's on a trip, she's on a vacation, she'll sip margarita and she'll do good because she's a real hot girl. Lexian, we really love and miss you, and I wish that wherever you are, you could see this right now, how we really love and appreciate the little time that we've spent with you. Thank you all for being here, and God bless you.
Alright, so I chat the assistant director, the most coolest cameraman. So we're going to have one of the assistant director. He's not here, but he sent his condolence and also a voice note, so we want to play it so you can hear.
Before I play Chad's voice note, I just want to big a shout out to that guy over there who dressed like me, Cashman Boss, for taking a chance on Lexi and nobody. And you made Lexi into a star, my brethren. And much respect to you, Cashman, for doing that for her. Not a lot of people will do that. Will take a regular person and you believed in her and you turned her. So Cashman, big up yourself. This dude right here, if you guys watch the show, Chad just fell in love with Lexi. Every time Lexi moved, he said his camera was glued on Lexi. So here's something that he sent.
Hello guys, so my name is Chadwick Walker. I'm one of the editor and video production person on E76 Roommates. And I met Lexi on the show, and she stood out to me, and I said to her that she's the person who is going to win the show. And from that day, like Lexi and I became very close friends. She asked me to do a shoot. The last time Lexi and I spoke, Lexi said to me, Chad, I want you to edit my movie that I'm working on, because I love your style and I love how you do things. And I said to her, I've never done a movie, but because of you, I will. And she said, no man, you're a bad editor man, you will mash up this, and you more have to do it and everything is so. Lexi, I'm a friend, somebody I really love. Like, she bring a joy in a people's life, and she always have a kind word, she always pray and every stuff. So
Yes, nation, as you can see, friends and family supporters turned out for Lexi DBess. Mother in tears, family members in tears. Definitely a sad situation. The way she lose her life. The fact that she got her own event. You know what I mean? The place just opened up. Somebody pick her up. And that's speeding something there. That's speed. We don't need to say nothing more about that speeding something there. The examples out there. We see the results. The people know what going on. The people out there, they deserve as an example. Speeding kills. And for entertainers, lyrical content is still something being looked at as a sort of admission of guilt. It is something that has been done overseas and locally. It is something that, even though jurors have stated that, you know what I mean, them now listen to nothing outside of the court about the case. Individuals already have a certain mindset of individuals, especially celebrities, who their on-stage persona might influence their decision making. Tell me what you think. And tell the reason again, you know the sentiments. Click the subscribe icon, you know what I mean? Share the video, comment section open. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. And tell the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.